Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to e to the power of x. Later that, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have like this. This one we change by u square because we have number 2 with s that is about e to the power of s, everything to the power of number 2. That's why we change this one into u. This one we change by u. E to the power of s ds we change by du. Next, 3u I will put about u plus 2u. So u and u we can do about factorization. This one by number 2. So u plus 1 we can do another factorization. Next, we can use about partial fractions. So I will put about 8 over u plus number 2 b over u plus 1. And now we do common denominator. About this one, it is missing about u plus 1. So this one multiplied by u plus 1. About this one, it is missing about u plus number 2. So capital B multiplied by u plus number 2. Next, we need to expand this one. Next, we need to arrange based on the terms of u. Now we need to compare coefficients. We don't have u in here, so a plus b equals to number 0. We have number 1, so a plus 2b equals to number 1. And now we create the system of equations. And now we can find the solutions of a and b. So 8 equals to negative number 1. B equals to positive number 1. Now we put A and B, go back in here. And now we have the final answer. About u, that is about e to the power of s. This is the end. Thank you for watching.